In a quiet village, far from the hustle and bustle of the city, lived a young boy who struggled with something that many of us do: self-control. This boy was quick to anger, always blaming others for his failures. He didn't understand that his lack of control over his emotions was holding him back. As time passed, his inability to control himself led him down a dangerous path. He turned to drugs to escape his frustrations, and with each passing day, he destroyed his future. One day, an old spiritual man came to the village. He saw the boy's condition and decided to help. The old man sat with the boy and spoke of self-control. Self-control is not about restricting yourself, but about mastering your emotions and desires, he said. He taught the boy techniques to manage his emotions: deep breathing, meditation, focusing on gratitude, and letting go of anger. With practice, the boy slowly regained control over himself. Self-control is the key to mastering not only your emotions, but your destiny. The power lies within you.